We are at Potato Land State Park. No, I don't. Potato something.
Potato Creek
Okay, let's start over.
State Park.
We're at Potato Creek State Park in Indiana.
Somewhere.
Outside of Plymouth, Indiana. About 15 minutes outside of Plymouth, Indiana.
Close to South Bend.
Yeah, in between Plymouth and South Bend.
What's for dinner?
Doing some grilled onions with some Aldi bacon and cheddar burgers.
Mm-hmm.
They had a burger there, a mushroom and Swiss burger at Aldi. That was, oh my God.
I'm hoping they bring it back.
It was so good, but it was a limited time burger that they had. They haven't had it back since, so we're hoping.
I'm hoping this is good, and I'm hoping they bring that one back.
Yeah, this is an Angus burger, which I think what we learned from Josh at Mythical means beef. I mean, I don't think it's anything special.
Beef.
But
Beef, it's what's for dinner.
But cooking these up, we're gonna have a shrimp boil on Sunday, we think.
Saturday,
we think. Monday, we think.
Today's Thursday.
They were staying forever. I don't know. But it's a really nice campground that we've seen so far. It's huge. We had to drive 3 miles into the park just to get to the campground. But they're pretty spaced out well. Trees are in full bloom right now. Got full leaves on the trees. It's a nice area. They've upgraded a couple of things. We'll show you a video of the upgraded dump station. Ooh, I know you love that.
And where are we going tomorrow?
And the upgraded fill station. And oh yeah, tomorrow we're going to Intech. People who made our Serenity Soul Horizon Rover edition. And we're going to go do a tour. And we're going to get them to give us a new camper. No, just joking.
If only.
Yeah.
Now, we like our camper. We just want one that's got a little bit more length to it and a different configuration on the bed, right?
Yep. We're looking at the Dusk. Dusk is what we like.
The new Dusk, which came out after the Horizon, but we
we
didn't know that was coming. And
well, we could.
Yeah.
We needed it.
So we're going to hopefully get to see one, and we're going to take some video and photos of the factory tomorrow.
Yep.
So
and, hopefully we'll see a Dusk for the first time in person.
So more to come, right?
More to come. But we're going to get something to eat here real quick, and we're going to break out the e-bikes and
go for a ride.
Go for a ride around the park. It's beautiful now. Right when we came into Plymouth, the skies just dumped and we got soaked.
Yep.
But
really pretty now.
We're all dry now, and it's
sun's out a little bit.
Yeah, sun's out.
It's like
clean. It's
70
dry
degrees.
here. I don't think they got anything here.
Not bad at all.
We will see. We'll catch you soon. We'll show you some bike riding in a little bit. Right now, we're going to put some bourbon brown sugar on the burgers.
This is the dump station. There's not one dump station. There's not two dump stations. There's not three dump stations. 4 dump stations.
No, actually there's 5.
There's 5?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, 5 dump stations, which we have never seen anywhere else at any other park, state or national. So some people need to up their games.
Yeah, seriously.
If you're listening, Smoky Mountains,
I mean, the most we've ever seen is 2.
it's really nice, and they have a water fill station that's 3 or 4 as well. Might even be 5. I don't know. I think maybe it's like 4. We'll show you that, I guess, on our way back. I don't know. But anyway, it's really nice that they have that, and I wish everybody did, because it makes getting in and out of here way easier, because this is a very big campground. I mean, 287 campsites. So they said that, you know, you might have to wait in a line to get out when you leave, depending on when you leave, but you won't wait that long because there's so many. And their checkout time isn't until 5 p.m. 5
Really?
Yeah.
When's check-in?
Check-in, I think check-in's right about that time. I would have to look at the paperwork or the website to tell you that. But I know it's 5 o'clock for checkout, because when we were coming in, not only was it on stuff, but he actually said checkout's 5 o'clock. I'm pretty sure that's what he said. Correct me if I'm wrong on this video.
We'll put it up in the corner someplace.
I think so.
Yeah, this is by far, I mean, he said that they just finished updating this.
Yeah.
And this is, I mean, we've been to parks literally all the way to Washington State and down to Florida at this point. And we have yet to see any with 5 filling stations. I mean, 5 dump stations in it.
2 maybe. 2
at the most ever.
Yeah.
Usually it's 1, no matter how big the campsite is. I mean, they might split it up and put one in on one section of the site and one in on a section of another. But it's impressive. We'll drive through this real quick.
It's very impressive.
But big kudos. And we'll take you over to the fill station, because this is electric only. So they kept that in mind, and they put in, I think it's 2 or 3 fill stations, but they know that everybody's going to have to dump to come through here. And you can see how new this stuff is. I mean,
yeah, it's pretty nice to have this many dump stations. It really is.
It really, really is.
It's a very nice setup, for sure.
So right after you come in through the check-in guard shack, the fill station is 1/10 of a mile down the road.
Well, they do have cabins too, honey, down there.
So, okay, so it's only 2 fill stations here. Actually, no, it's 4. I'm sorry. 4 fill stations. They're split down the center.
4 fill stations, which is really nice. I mean, this is very nice.
So we filled Serenity on the way in. I think it's, I wish I had the stuff memorized. I think it's 23 gallons, 25 gallons. I'll fix that if I'm wrong, which I probably am. And our neighbor this morning disconnected to go, and I'm assuming dump and refill. So we are riding our bikes on a paved bike trail at Potato Creek State Park in Illinois. What's the town's name?
Indiana.
Indiana.
North Liberty.
North Liberty, Indiana. That is tight.
Yeah.
Tight. It's a very well-maintained area. But this is a wonderful, we're really enjoying this campground. Too bad we're not staying longer, honestly. The campsites are wonderful. They're nice and spaced out. They're well maintained. Each section seems to have its own camp host, which is actually really nice. I went and talked to ours this morning because unfortunately somebody had a, we'll just call it an accident in the men's room. And they were right on it, getting somebody over there to take care of it. The showers and the bathrooms could definitely use an update, but they're still in perfect working order. One of the better showers as far as water pressure and hot water we've been in yet.
Yep.
But they look like they're built in the 60s. Yeah, but that's okay. I can put up a little bit of rust as long as everything works right.
Nice temperature and water flow.
Yeah. So yesterday,
Ooh, what's that?
after we went on a tour of Intech, who makes Serenity our Intech Soul Horizon camper, we drove into South Bend, Indiana, and looked around the campus of Notre Dame a little bit, and we ate at O'Rourke's, which is an Irish pub, and had some really good food. So this is kind of a unique location for us that we've been to. It's a state park that has a campground, and the campground is 3 miles into the state park. It has lots of bike trails, paved and unpaved. Okay, so
Is there no roped area?
here's a little hidden gem, Potato Creek.
Bugs everywhere.
They have a beach.
Bugs and bugs and more bugs.
Oh boy, honey, what did we just finish?
We just got done in Intech and it was awesome.